Hi everyone! In this week tutorial I will show you how to report an issue in EasyNote very easily. Just open the app, then go to the three-line menu which is on the left hand side, the top corner, and find Help Center. Click on it, and here you can see that you can report an issue. Tap it. And now you have to describe your problem. You can write here. So describe your problem here, and which is very useful. You can even add an image. For example, if you have made a screenshot. Yeah, and also you can select a note if you have a problem with a specific note. After that, you will have to click on submit, which I won't do now, of course, but if you click on it, you will have to log in with your email, and then you can submit your problem. Hope it will be useful, and have a nice day.